After the accident with Daisy and Molly, the angels will finally respect us. Ha ha ha. Indeed. All what we're going to do. More casualties, my friend, and I have just the plan if they don't. No, you won't. Henry, Gordon, James, Diesel. What are you doing here? We are here to take revenge and teach you a lesson. Uh-oh. That's as we will show you, teach you a lesson who control this railway. There will be more casualties if you do that. Maybe, but not on our side. Charge! Yeah, yeah. No mercy, Henry. Da, da, da. Oh, da. This will teach you a lesson who controls this railway. Oh. I hope you will to come in a better behavior now. What are you doing now? The final plan, which is what? Tomorrow we will taking a train. Who is pulled? By Henry. We will break away and crash into the express. That's the final step. There's a petrol station near the place you think about it. I know, but it's a risk we are taking. Okay, we will do it.